Well, so ever since I started my channel, I've been on this mission to review products that I feel everyone can benefit from. So, among these different products that I find is this thing called Yakult probiotic food, and honestly, I've been like a vegan for a decade now, and so then, I mean, gut health and B12 that is important for that you find in curd and all na is missing. So in such a case, I mean, honestly, I find having this probiotic food, it's almost like medicine, except that it tastes quite good, and it's something that after having it, you feel like you've done something good, like like you have honey and lime in the morning. It's like that. So Yakult it is, and I thought I'd be drinking it on camera, but no, yeah, it's so nice. It comes as a pack of 5. You get it pack of 5 for $100, and considering I picked it up just yesterday and there's only one left, or rather 2 left, should tell you just how good this product is. And I've understood that when the body likes something, you begin to want to have more of it. So it's called Yakult Light Probiotic Fermented Milk Drink, and I can't recommend it enough. So thank you, Yakult. This is a good product indeed. So truly, people, even my vegan friends out there and otherwise also, include this in your diet and you will see a noticeable change in your gut health. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.